Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the 18th chapter, that is waste. Do you know the students the word waste? Yes, whenever the some things we are using, but after that if you unused things, okay, after that which one you don't want and we are throwing away, that is called as waste, okay, or if it will be spoiled, that is also called as a waste, okay. So in this chapter today we are going to discuss about that what is the waste and how it is managing and from where what are the different types of waste we will discuss in this chapter. You know that friends, you have taken that banana, okay, banana peels, you know, yellow color peels you are taking and throwing, that is called as waste, okay. Orange peels, that outside that what is that orange peels, yellow color, that yellow color like you will feel, you will take out and you will throw. And vegetable peels and all that things like whatever that we are using time we are throwing out and we are not using that is called as waste, okay. So this what are the different types where we are getting and how can we manage, that we will discuss in this chapter, okay. So let us before that we will discuss about that today. What is that learning objectives? What are the things? What are the concepts? What are the terms related to this chapter we are going to learn? So let us see students. First of all, learning objectives, waste and their types. What is that waste and what is their types? Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste क्या है and non-biodegradable waste क्या है? What is that? The methods of waste management, that is the landfills, composting and vermicomposting. What is the methods to that managing of that management of the waste? Last one is the steps to reduce the generation of waste. How like we will reduce also in the generation of that waste, that we are going to learn. So first of all we will discuss about that waste क्या है? Waste is something which is no use or purpose. Waste is one something which one we want to use, that we called as a waste, okay, or any purposes for also it want to use. It consists of things which intended to throw or have already discarded. Means suppose I told that banana peels, banana we are not eating with the peels which we are eating, no, so something we are removing, that is called as peels outside you are taking out and throwing, okay. So same like orange, banana or vegetable peels, so many things are there which one we are not eating generally, okay. So that is called as a waste, okay. So now we are going to discuss about the types of waste. So how many types of wastes are there? Based on the nature of the waste produced, there are general three types. One is gaseous waste, and a liquid waste, and a what is that? Solid waste. So do you know that gaseous waste? Friends, you should see whenever you are burning that fuels like a bike, petrol we are keeping and it is burning, and what is that waste is coming? That is the carbon sulfur dioxide or carbon monoxide, like that carbon dioxide. It is, that means from that bike, that automobiles, that smokes like that it is coming out. That is generally called as also waste. And next in liquid state, these are the generated in our homes and industries, domestic sewage, chemical discharge given out from factories and liquid wastes. You know that friends, in our homes also there are so many wastes are there, and which one you can say that is what liquid wastes. Suppose our house domestic animals are there, their sewage is there, that is waste sewage is there, that is domestic sewage, and a chemical discharges given out from the factories are liquid wastes. Means from the chemicals also, which one is not a product like a byproduct or other products, that also waste we are throwing in or mixing with that river, and it is mixing with that ocean and sea, that is also, these are the waste. This is the liquid types of waste which are coming from the industry or automobiles. Means automobiles means that not only automobiles, that special that industry cases which are chemical things are we are mixing and that we are liquid form with, they are sending to that river, okay. Next, gaseous wastes. These are the also produced in the homes, industries and agricultural fields. The gaseous wastes is the another one of that wastes, that is which one that we are producing in that what agricultural field is also it is burning, and in our homes also gases. Suppose we are burning the wounds, it is also poisoning that gases like it is coming, that is a waste things only. And a agricultural field also, in that industry also, in agricultural field also, in industry also, whenever petrol diesel engine with it is running, then the smoke small it is coming, and that is also waste things only. And so many cases are there also in the industry cases, and also agricultural cases also. There is what whenever we are applying that gases, that what spray we are using, that gases like it is coming out, if it will evaporate and some, this is the generally the gaseous waste things are there. So generally according to the nature, based on the nature, that wastes are three types. One is gaseous wastes, and second next one is there, sorry I wrote here, this one is solid actually, solid waste. Okay, so these are the solid wastes which are in that our home, inside that carbon monoxide, whenever wood we are burning, and rest part we are throwing. And also what is that in industry cases also we are using coal like that. And also agricultural field also, whenever that we are carbon, suppose paddy we are cutting and the remain part it is there, and we are keeping that burning, lastly fire we are catching. That is the, these are the generally waste things in the solid cases. Okay friends, I hope you have understood about that, what is that waste and what are the different types of, according to the nature of the what waste is. Okay, according to the nature, based on the nature, the wastes are three types. One is gaseous wastes, second one is liquid wastes, and third one is solid wastes. Okay, these solid wastes are generally we are finding that, suppose in your agricultural field you have seen that lastly they will gather that all paddies roots or other things, whatever the parts are, leaves, paddy leaves and other plants leaves, and they will, whichever we are not using, we are not bringing to home, that we are keeping inside that together, and we are keeping the fire or digging, and we are keeping inside. So like the different compost way we are making, but that these are the part of waste things. Okay students, so these are whole about that, what are the introduction part, that is learning objectives, and what is the waste is, and what are the different types of waste. I hope you have understand and you have tried all the things. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.